Hello everyone, welcome to Pro Tech Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to remove, to add, and also how to modify your indicators on TradingView. So without further ado, let's get started. So first off, if you want to remove all your drawings and indicators to get a nice clean chart, you just come to the bottom left, right next to the trash bin, you click on the arrow over here and you click on remove drawings and indicators. Although you notice that I still have some events showing up because it's not an indicator, neither a drawing. So you can right click on it and click hide events on chart. And that's how you get the chart clean without indicators or drawings. Though I'm pressing Ctrl Z over here so I can get them all back to show you another way to do it, which is you can click directly on the indicator. So in case you don't want to get rid of all of them, let's say I want to keep the volume oscillator and just get rid of the moving average over here. You just put your mouse on the top of it and you click on the three dots and you remove it. So I'm going to remove just that specific indicator, keeping the volume oscillator. One last way that one bonus tip actually that I want to show you is how to modify so you can get the rid of this details over here to get a cleaner chart. You can come over here on settings, you come to appearances, status line, and over here under indicator you can uncheck title, uncheck values, and just leave the background and click OK, and then you no longer have showing up over here the values of your indicator. All right, if you want to add a new one, so let me just remove everything. Let's say you want to add a new one, you just come to indicator, you search for the indicator you want. Let's say I'm gonna put the volume oscillator back in, just start spelling it and it's gonna show up. And there it is. You can double click on it to input the values you want to use. So let's say you're gonna put up 50 and 100 as the value, so it's gonna change the indicator over here. All right, and that's how you do it. If you have any question, anything that I can help you with, just drop a comment down below and I'll try to answer it as soon as I can. Please make sure to like and subscribe if this video was helpful to you, and I hope you have great trades. Bye bye.